Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to use Payoneer for working with international clients in a clear and practical way. Payoneer is ideal when clients are overseas and want simple, secure payments. First, create and fully verify your Payoneer account with correct personal or business information. Once approved, go to the Receiving Accounts section and activate currencies like USD, EUR, or GBP. Payoneer provides you with local bank details for each currency, which makes it easy for international clients to pay you as if they are sending a local transfer. Share these details with your clients or send them a payment request directly from Payoneer. Clients can pay using bank transfer or card depending on their location. When the payment arrives, it shows up in your Payoneer balance. You can hold the funds in the same currency to avoid unnecessary conversion. To access your money, withdraw it to your local bank, use your Payoneer card for online purchases, or withdraw cash from ATMs. Always review fees and exchange rates before confirming withdrawals. Keep your invoices clear and your account compliant to avoid delays. Track transactions regularly to manage cash flow and follow up professionally if payments are pending. With proper setup, Payoneer helps you receive international payments smoothly, work with global clients confidently, and manage your earnings efficiently across borders. Subscribe the channel for more videos.